Hey friends! Welcome to Study and Quizzy Planet. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sunflower. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. For more interesting videos, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.